Linking the West Coast with the East Coast, ECRL will complete the rail network for Peninsular Malaysia and will be the catalyst for economic and social development. The ECRL will bring about benefits not only to passengers and freight movement within the region, but also link the region with the rest of Peninsular Malaysia by means of an efficient rail network system. The ECRL project is expected to accelerate the growth in the East Coast by creating 220,000 new jobs in high-value activities and projected to increase the GDP of the East Coast region by 1.5%. Journey on the fastest train will take less than 4 hours from Pangkalan Kubo in Kelantan to Gombak in Selangor. The proposed alignment for Phase 1 of the railway features 22 stations running along a 600.3-kilometer route. Phase 1 will start north of Kuala Lumpur at Gombak Integrated Transport Terminal, ITT Gombak, the future interchange with the Kelana Jaya line and main long-distance bus terminal. The alignment has been driven by concerns for protection of the environment and to reduce impact on the forest reserves and natural habitats. The alignment has been shifted to avoid sensitive areas. Open cuttings have been removed and replaced with 19 tunnels with a total length of 48.5 kilometers. And wildlife crossings have been introduced to ensure integrity of wildlife habitats. From the Klang Valley, the line will run east through the state of Pahang, serving the towns of Bentong, Mentakap, Maran and Gambang, before reaching the state capital, Kuantan. It will provide an alternative mode of transport for the movement of passengers and freight within the region. Intercity passenger services will serve all the major towns along the east coast. This rail line will not only increase accessibility to the major centers, but also improve accessibility to the East Coast ports. The improvement of accessibility to the ports will boost the role of the ports in freight distribution within the region. The spur line serving petrochemical and mineral industries will encourage economic growth. The ECRL will reduce travel time between major centers, reduce freight cost, reduce heavy truck volume, and improve safety on the roads. It will free up road capacity, hence reducing traffic jams and traffic pollution, thus creating a better environment. From Kuantan, the line will turn north before entering the state of Terengganu, where it will serve Chukai, Kemasik, Kuala Terengganu, and Kampung Raja. ECRL will continue north into Kelantan, serving stations at Tok Bali, Jelawat and Kota Baru, interchanging with Kereta Api Tanah Melayu, KTM East Coast Line from Kemas and terminating at Pangkalan Kubo. Regional stations will become local transport hubs and catalyze transit-oriented development, TOD, that will encourage sustainable growth. New townships and industrial clusters will flourish around ECRL stations, taking advantage of the new transit service. The ECRL will bring about huge development benefits and bridge the development gap between Klang Valley and the east coast of Malaysia. Connecting lives, accelerating growth.